Hello, here is Punte. So this is like a night reflection, and actually, like today is a very hardworking but productive. At first, like I'm thinking I'm really like tired today, but then I'm really like proud of myself. This is this really like I'm really happy right now. Like yeah. So, why, right? Why, right? So I just get into my reflection right now because they are like really why I'm so happy. Okay. First is like internal good, right? So for the internal good, I have to write a project from Youth Center Level 2 called Business Management for Entrepreneurship, and I have like attended level 1 and level 2. So in level 1 level 2 batch 1 and batch 2. So in the batch 1 I just like choose like one organization that I know. Okay. And in the this level 2 batch 2, I choose to like wrote about the page that I'm starting. So it is like creative, therapeutic, inner reflection, inner insight sharing page. So it's called Kanza Anubinya. I kind of like have this idea, and I want to like do it, but I don't know like how to do it. But level 2 batch 1 teach me, like it pushed me, and then in the like batch 2 I'm more of like understanding how the process go. And for the assignment for the project I like chose to do my own page, and it is just very liberating because I have to like really think of what is like cluster analysis, like do the external analysis and like do the SWOT analysis, and then making like objective and where is like vision mission clearly, and also like strategically planning for that, and you know what everything. And after like I wrote the conclusion, I feel like just you know yeah, this is like I got a plan, and it's like one cutback two benefit, like I have finished the project, and the second I know what to do about my project, and maybe another that one also. And maybe like I just like knew how to do it again and again, that's really fascinating. Like you got a format of how to do it, like because I have done it like twice. Like this will be like my second time. So this time I'm more of like understanding it, and I'm also like reading from outside resources, like reading many references, and it just enriched me. Like I got this. I'm not like a very business oriented kind of person. If you listen to me regularly, like you will know how I am. So it is really interesting to learn that kind of field. I haven't learned anything like very little about, so it's really like yeah, achievement. I'm so proud of myself. And one thing about it, it is like also related to what I do. Like actually, like I have planned to do the paper like since last week, and I haven't done it because I always thinking of the project in my mind. I'm writing just how I like what I do, and I'm learning everything. But I'm very scared to write the final paper. Just write down and write because I'm scared that it will not be perfect. But yeah, I have been like shifting time and postponing, procrastinating, all kind of things. And then just after I finished today, I just realized something, that I don't need to be perfect because I can do it again and again. Like if I want to do, I can do it. And you know what? It is not even difficult. And it's very enjoyable. Just it's enjoyable. So there shouldn't be like the control for the outcome, the worry for the outcome, the anxiety for the outcomes. I don't need to be like whatever happen will happen, and the result I will achieve that. And what really important is that I appreciate that, right? I appreciate the process, and also like accept the end result, as because I'm like I give my 100%, and that's what all matter. Like I don't know like whether from the academic side they will like evaluate and not very great maybe, I don't know, but from my side I give it my best, so I have no regret. Yeah, but I have learned that this internet bad is this kind of like pushing time, the procrastination, like waiting for perfect like state, mind, and like emotional state that is that really actually like dwelling inside me. It is just growing inside me, and I'm like it is on my mind for a very long time. And whenever I meditate or whenever I play karate, whenever like I study other things, it's just like on my mind, like I have the project like to get done, something like that. So I kind of like reflect, and I would say like whenever I have um, a thing to do, a task to do, I would give a deadline, and I would really like anchor to it. The first time I finish, okay? No more like negotiation with my thoughts, because once done, it has to be done. And what's more is like what more to come. So just I would relax myself and follow what the action started when I targeted something. Okay, that's the update for internet bad day from my professional advisor. Okay. And when it's done, the good thing is there's like I found myself like I use my tablet when I attend the Zoom meeting today. Today was level 2 business of 1885. So I have attended, and I found myself like my device can capture the voice clearly, and I have to like speak up. So I really like not aware of that, right? And in the past when I have like meeting, like I kind of like feel like neglected, because whenever like I speak they don't reply, right? But now I realize that it is just my device fault. My device like maybe low sound, kind of like accumulation perception, something like that, I don't know. Maybe sound system is not like the same as my phone, so I guess I don't know my device very like accurately. So I want to like just whenever I use something like device or any other application, or maybe like for learning, it is like mindset. Which mindset are you following? For example, like for me it is like creative myself and group myself, and maybe like protocol. So for example, like I have some breathing protocol, like something like this and this, some kind of protocol. And also like background is like 40 hertz when I'm really like need noise. Sometimes I just focus and like steady. And also like my timer setting, like I have like adapted one more thing, that is like I will only work for like 90 hours, because that's called like arterial cycle for like learning people, like people mind, something like that. In the past I'm more of like 3 hours, but now only 90 minutes. Yeah, and you need to rest, so that kind of thing. So I realized that I need to pay close attention to the thing that I have been like using. I need really like closely this monitoring, and also like controlling it. Okay. And when it's on a bed is like I realized that I lost aware of the others. For example, like my I have this sister who like love the private space, but of course I'm also do like when you are like studying, when you focus on something, you just don't want other people like coming into around something like that. So but when I enter the room, I just like don't close it, I open it. So it is annoying to her, but I don't like took notice of that. But I just noticed like, oh, she annoying. Okay, so I need to like give like more detailed attention and like care to her, because it means like also love also, because you are like not doing what will like make her struggle with her study or learning or like work anything. So give her her own space. If that is kind of like a way of showing your respect also. So I guess I need to improve that. Yeah. So today that's all. And I would say like I even like not thinking like I will have this kind of energy, but after the learning, like after the YC learning, like I have to draw the life roadmap LIM, and I just like feel very energetic now. Like I have very clear things to do, objective and plan also, and the update plan and everything. So that's very exciting. Okay, so that's all for today. Goodbye, and I hope you all have a wonderful day, or maybe like you created a wonderful day. Yeah, I really hope that. See you next time.